In this video, we'll talk about substitutions in Business Central. I have created two items that are ingredients. One is the standard cheese and one is American cheese. The American cheese is actually interchangeable with the standard cheese. So let's build that relationship in Business Central, known as substitutions. So I'm going to open up the American cheese and I'm going to go to Related, Item, Substitutions. I'm going to put my standard cheese in the substitution number, and I'm also going to check off interchangeable, meaning that they can go both ways. Now let's see how this works. I'm going to global search for released production orders. I'm going to create a new one. I will call it cheese and also put my standard cheese as the source number. I'm also going to need 100 units. Then I can go to process and refresh production order. You can see cheese right here as the final output with 100 units. You can see if we come here to line and components and drill down into the components that we are using the standard cheese of 100 units. Now let's say we don't have the standard cheese and we only have the American. We can see all the way to the right that substitution available says yes. So if we go to line and then select item substitution, here I will choose the American cheese and click OK. So now I will consume the American cheese instead of the standard cheese. Note the costing might be different, which could affect your orders, but in this case it will not. And this is how you would use substitutions in Business Central.